Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to sync your Wix forms, contacts, and even marketing data with HubSpot, you are in the right place because in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to integrate Wix with HubSpot in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you open your device, you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. We're gonna go and look for Wix.com. So after finding the website builder and all of this, we're gonna go take a look at the full setup or the dashboard here. As for now, we're going through this app section, look for app market, then tap it. It will be opening this Wix app market where we're gonna go and look for HubSpot. Okay, so that's the app. All we're gonna do now is wait till it fully uploads so we can basically add it to our website. So as you see guys, they're gonna tell you it's $20 per month. Just add it to your site, accept it, check if you want their subscription or not, then log into HubSpot, sign in using your account or create a new one if needed. Connect Wix forms, choose which contact forms should sync to HubSpot, then the map contact fields, make sure you match the email, name, phone number, custom fields, enable the automation, it's quite optional but doable. You can basically just set it up, then test the integration by submitting a small test as I always tell you. So that's it, thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.